Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this, I don't know how to pronounce this properly. You can see it here, Durga Mela edit on CapCut. So basically add in your video, your audio, and I'm just going to use videos from here. I'll just do scenery and do the portrait picture, video. Then here as well, so 9:16. Get your audio and listen to it, and you're just going to want to add beats manually, so I'm just going to do that. I'm not going to add the audio though, so let's add the beat manually. Something like that. I don't know if I did that properly, but you're going to insert your video like this, and you're just going to match it with the beat, something like that. Then on the first video, once you're done with matching the beats, you're just going to add in text, for instance, like welcome to India or wherever it is. But that's pretty much it. It's super simple to do. Just match the beat correctly and you're good to go. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.